Hello everyone. In this video, we will see an exercise on Alteryx. The objective of this exercise is what is the use of join tool in case of Alteryx. So how we have to use it. So this tool you will be finding out in the join tab. This is the tool. First, we have to use the input data tool in order to load the data. We have to connect it to the file. We'll go to this configuration tool, connect it to the file. It will redirect us to the data connection window. Select the file name as sales 2017-copy. Now from this particular file, I'll select the sheet as join data. I'll select the range as range number 7. Click on OK and I'll click on run. So over here the result workflow for this particular input data tool is being displayed over here. I'll show you the database first. This is the database where we have to combine these two tables with the help of join tool. Month, year, record number, and this employee ID and sales. So these can be combined. Month, year, record number, employee ID, sales. These two tables can be combined. Click on copy, go over here, click on paste. Now for this I will select the range as, go to this table or query and select the range as So I'll select the range as range 8, click on OK, and click on run button. So in the first input data tool, we have find out the data or table as month, year, and record number. In the second input data tool, in this particular, which we are selected the range 8. So over here there is employee ID and sales. So I'll go to the join tab, bring this join tool in the canvas, connect this with the left join and this with the right join. So over here left join and right join is being connected, so both will be combined together. So we have to select the option over here in the configuration window, join by record position. We have to just click on run. So we have to keep in mind that we have not joined the records, or we have not joined the table by specific fields. We have joined it by record position. So when we have clicked on the left, it will be showing month, year, and record number. When we have clicked on the right, it will be showing employee ID, sales done. And when we have clicked on the J anchor, so it will be showing combined data, month, year, record number, employee ID, and sales done. So over here, join J is going to be activated. When you are going to click left, so you will be finding no data. When you are clicking on right, no data. When you are clicking on join, so both the data is going to be get joined. Means both the tables. So 12 records are displayed, month from January to December, year is 2018. So 2018 is the year which is having month from your January to December, 12 months. Record are 12, employee ID, and whatever will be the sales number that particular employee in that particular month. So that is doing this. I hope you have understood how to use the join tool in case of Alteryx. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.